back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you another update on Mac app. As you can see right here, there's this update we are actually using, and we were able to claim 1 BNB from the Mac app simply by checking in. Now, it's a new system on Mac app. You can get into it. To get into the Mac app, the link is in the description. However, the Mac app in today's tutorial, we're going to be mining BNB. I'm just going to be making a withdrawal. It's going to be my second withdrawal on the Mac app. My first withdrawal was in the video, is at the top right section, where I started with the Mac app. I started with a little BNB and I was able to mine so much. Right here, there's a new feature that is the daily check-in. We're going to get into it briefly, and also we're also going to be talking about other features as well. So now, to get over to the Mac app, simply get into the link in description. You'll find the username to the boot, and once you click on it, it should pop up the intro. As you can see right here, it has been sending me an info of how many Macs I've been able to mine every single day, and it simply notifies me, and I can easily withdraw it for myself. So for you guys to get into it, hit the start button, and once you hit the start button, click on the get started button. Now, as you can see right here on the Mac app, the moment I loaded it up, it just tells me to claim my day one reward, because yes, I do agree, I have not been consistent with checking in every single day. As you can see, you can actually earn 1 free BNB for yourself. 1 free BNB at the end of every 30 days simply by checking in. If you check in every single day without breaking a single streak, you get about 1 BNB at the end of the 30 days. So you win about 1 BNB on day 30. And if you head over to the daily check-in, as you can see, you can earn also some extra free, free stuff for yourself, from earning a Mac to earning BNBs to even earning miners as well. So there are lots of things you can earn for free, simply coming in every single day. Every 24 hours you come in, you make sure you come in, and also make sure that you check in. As you can see, we have been able to, you can actually use this method to earn so much for yourself. Right here, it shows the day 30, and once you click on the day 30, you see the objective you need to complete. As you can see right here on my day one, for me to actually end this, the main thing I simply need to do is to just complete one task. Once you complete the supposed objective for that day, then you can just hit the check-in and you claim this reward. Now, this is not what we're going to be covering in this tutorial. I just want to show you this. As you can see right here in the Mac app, if you head over to the wallet section, I've been able to earn about $2,000 here, 2,000 USDT from the Mac app. And I earned this from mining, but I used a specific strategy. And now how I did this was simply heading over to the mine section. I was able to win this tournament right here. Now, this tournament is a weekly tournament. As you can see, some users are actually leading on this tournament. And this tournament basically rewards the highest miner of the session. It's like a contest. It's like a mining contest. So basically, you need to just hire the most miners for that week, and you make sure you remain at the leaderboard, and you earn about $1,000. Now, it's not actually $1,000, it's 1 BNB you'll be rewarded. As you can see, if you head over to the past winners, you will see some previous winners for this. This was me right here when I won 1 BNB, and this was just the previous last tournament, but other winners have also been winning. So it's a free and fair competition. The only thing you need to do is to mine the most amount of miners. Now, if you head over to this section and you click on start mining, you can see that there are lots of miners, there are lots of users, about over 20,000 users. Lots of people have actually withdrawn from this miner, and also about 89,000 allocated miners to different users. And me personally, I have about 300 miners. And now these 300 miners are withdrawing from me. They are earning for me about 13 USDT every single day. I can actually choose to hire more miners right here by clicking on this section, and I basically get more miners that mine for me every single day. As you can see, the miners pay you about 4.5% every single day. Now, if you head over to my view mining profit history, you will see the amount of profit I receive every single day. Today is the 31st of January, the last day of the month, and I received about $11 from this. I've been receiving multiple amounts of profits every single day from this particular platform. So right now, how do you get into this? Before I show you how to mine, which I have done on previous occasion, I'm just basically going to be withdrawing, because that's what I said I'm going to be doing in this particular tutorial. I'm going to withdraw once again. This will be my second withdrawal from Mac app to show you that this platform actually works. And as I said, if you need a full guide on how to actually start mining on this particular platform, you can mine with any cryptocurrency of your choice. Check the video at the top right section, or simply watch till the end of this video, because I'm going to still show a brief tutorial on it. So right now, let's withdraw, let's cash out some profits. Now, basically, you know the drill. For you to be able to cash out, you can't actually swap out Mac. You need to swap your Mac to BNBs. Now, how do you get these BNBs? You simply click on the swap button and you select the amount of Mac you want to swap. then you swap it out. Now please note that Mark has not yet listed, and because it's a virtual airdrop, you know, when it's listed, it's going to be listing at a higher price. So I do not want to be withdrawing all your Mark. I suggest you don't withdraw your Mark, but you withdraw some. But if you want to proceed, withdraw it. It's still profitable. However, in this tutorial, I'm not going to be withdrawing some. I'm going to be withdrawing some BNBs. Now, you can easily swap your Mark. For example, you can swap like 1,000 to 10,000 Mark, and you get some BNBs for yourself. And as you can see, I've successfully done that. And as you can see, it moved the Mark into the BNBs. Now we are good to go. Now, what is the very next thing you simply need to do? Simply your cash out to withdraw your earnings. Now, once you hit the withdraw button, you need to select the amount of BNBs you want to withdraw. Now, for this tutorial, I'm not going to be withdrawing much. I'm just going to keep it bulk. I'm going to be withdrawing maybe a little BNBs, like maybe zero, like a 10,000 worth of BNB, like 0.01 BNB. And then we're going to hit the submit button ASAP, and it's going to withdraw it into our wallet. Also, make sure you submit your wallet, you set your wallet. As you can see, I've already set my wallet. If you have not set your wallet, hit the connect button right here and set your wallet properly. Now, let's simply proceed with the withdrawal when I'm going to hit the submit button.
5 minutes later.
So right here, it tells me my withdrawal was submitted successfully. Thank God this time. And as you can see, I received a notification right here. This is my withdrawal of about 0.01 BNB. We can quickly open my Trust wallet. I'll show you guys this withdrawal proof and stuff like that. Right here, this is everything. I received about 0.01 BNB. Now, this used to be worth about $10 before. I don't know why the BNB coin is actually crashing right now. Yes, I did see the crash. I actually wanted to drop a signal on that on our Telegram channel, but I was really busy with exams when this crash started about 2 days ago. Nonetheless, right here, I received about 0.01 BNB, and if you check the transaction history, as you can see, this is it right here, my transaction from 0.01 BNB, and this is just a sample of the the mining profit. Now, as you can see, I have about $2,000 worth of Mark, and I can actually cash out everything. It is easy, no withdrawal limit whatsoever. You can do the same for yourself. However, I suggest you actually mine and hold it, and just try and win the 1 BNB contest as I showed you guys. This, by winning this 1 BNB contest right here, instead of you to cash out all your mined Mark, you can simply win this 1 BNB contest, just as how all these users did right here. And by winning this contest, you can now easily cash out that for yourself and even possibly use it and mine more Mark. Now, that is the easiest way. That is the strategy I suggest you guys use. Mine as much Mark as possible, hire as much miners as possible, rank to the top, become the leader of the week, and some BNBs for yourself, and then use those BNBs to mine more and earn more Mark. So when this project will be listing, you will have so much Mark on the launch date, and you will also be able to swap it at a higher price than the BNB price that is currently worth. So right now, that is the easiest way for you to mine. As you can see, we are able to withdraw about 0.1 BNB right here out of all the amount that we have mined. And you can also withdraw more for yourself. Now, in a special situation where you have any problem with this project, I suggest you easily contact the support. You can contact the support simply by hitting this button right here, or maybe on the home page, you simply hit the contact support button right here. And once you hit it, you simply need to just create a ticket and tell them what's up, that maybe you have a problem with your payment, or maybe you have a problem with your deposit, or you have any problem whatsoever, or maybe with making any kind of withdrawal. To do that, simply click on the create new ticket and select the problem you have, and you add a title, and you basically send it. And once you send it to this, they are going to reply you immediately. They're going to tell you that they have actually looked at your problem. They're going to try and communicate with you, address your issue, and make sure that you are attended to properly. So this is just a sample. You can also add a screenshot of maybe a proof that will help them explain better by adding a file if you want to, and simply by submitting it, you have created a chat with them. Now, eventually they are going to reply you. The response time is about 1 hour, 2 hours, so just keep calm. They're going to reply you, and then you proceed, guys. Now, that is the easiest way if you have any problem whatsoever. If you wish to start mining, as you can see, I've hired enough miners. I earn about 13 USDT every single day. If you want to start mining, hit the higher mining button and select the amount of miners you want. Now, as you can see, I can get about 66 miners right here for about $100. You can also get up to 666 miners for about 8,000, and as I said, it earns you only 4.5% every single day. Now, 4.5% every single day over a month is well over a month is actually okay, because that is about 150% in total. So you guys should get into it, get into this, start hiring some miners for yourself. Once you hit the hire miners button, you select the method you want to use and make the payment, and also get these miners. You can pay with other cryptos, you can pay with BNB, and you simply need to add the wallet address and also send this exact amount you are supposed to send. And once you do that, you're going to receive your miners instantly, and then you start receiving BNBs, just as I am receiving daily BNBs, daily mark every single day. Now, this is the easiest way you can actually use and mine crypto using any other cryptocurrency like BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, TRX, or any crypto out there, or even mining directly via Ton. Make sure you get into this method, guys. As you can see, I was able to earn about 2K using this particular method. Get into it. If you need the link to this bot, just head over to Telegram and search for the username Machine Official Bot, and you'll get into the bot. Also, this username is down in the description of the video, so just copy the username, head over to Telegram, copy it, get into the bot, and start mining for yourself. See you guys on the next tutorial.